Welcome back, guys. Here's another video of the Koito auto cover fog lights that I have. These are pretty much the same ones that are in the video that this other YouTube member has up. You'll probably see it up above this one. These are also really cool. I've had these for a very long time. Why do I collect this? I don't know. I love having these. I've been collecting car parts and fucking forever. Anyways, these are the Koito auto cover fog lights. Pretty much turn them on just like the other ones. Just successful. These you need electricity for them to go up. I just can't pull them up like my Toyota ones. These are also new. Here's all the hardware. These don't come with instructions manuals inside. It's literally on the box. So you turn the box around, and there you have it. There, if you can read Japanese, that is the installation guide. I don't know Japanese, so I'll probably be using Google Translate, which works pretty damn well. And yeah, here you go. Another hard to find part, and if you find a set, I would buy it. And I don't know if I would probably install these. These are not as well. I like them, but not as much as my Toyota ones. So these are, if a rock hits it, I won't be like devastated. That's what made me take off my. I have some that are broken, but well, not broken, but the little lid's broken off it. Here's the other part of it: illumination auto covers. Does that say there? There you go. So in case you're curious how the box looks and how these look, how they come packaged. Here's the buttons and wiring and the. There you go. Oh, I'd like to pull them out for you guys to see. There it is. Bracket in the back. Pretty awesome. If you guys find a set, I suggest you buy it, because these will make your car look pretty awesome and unique. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll put some other cool stuff I have stored away